Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up NFC and contactless payments on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open settings. Now here in the settings, we want to go to more connections and we have NFC. We want to make sure that we enable it, and here we have tap to pay. Now the default payment, I will always use the Google Play Now pay with app in use, so I would recommend going with always use default. And now what we want to do is we want to go and set up our wallet. So if you do not have the Google Wallet here, if you cannot search for it, what you guys can do is simply go over and download it. So I know that it may sound weird that you have it in the settings and it's not installed. You can still see, as you guys can see, it's not installed. You can set it up in the settings, but sometimes it just may not be there. So it should install in less than 10 seconds for you. After you click open, you'll continue as your Google account of your choosing. Make sure to allow the Google Wallet to send us notifications. Here we can click on add payment card, and we will be adding our card. So we can scan it on the back of our phone. We can enter the number details, or we can scan it through our camera. So as you guys can see, we can do something like this. Now this number won't exactly exist because I'm not going to enter real info here. This is how it should look like: 16 digits, month and year of the expiration, security code, which is our CV2 or CVC. Here we have our address, and we're going to click save and continue. After that, your card will be added here, and you'll be able to pay with your phone because we have NFC set up. Here we have both the Google Pay, so you can check which one works, and that's how you guys can easily set it up. Now you're ready to pay with your phone, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.